What's up guys, train here we are at Bramley station level crossing in Hampshire. We just had a malfunction. I think this could be for a closure. Go back, stay back. Down. Okay, there has been just malfunction just a second ago.
And Michael's trying to get in touch with the network.
I'll probably call Network Rail in a bit.
So
let them know about the malfunction. So at the moment, as far as I can see, the crossing will now be okay. Time is 17:27 on Thursday, the
16th of February.
Thursday, 16th of February 2017. Crossing is down for our, as far as I can see, this will be for our heavily delayed 1654. Hang on, my data's gone off for some reason. Yeah, this will be for this will be for our heavily delayed 1736 669 X-ray from Hellwood Jaguar cars to Southampton Eastern Docks, and possibly for the heavily delayed 1654 1 Mike 62 from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. We also did have an emergency sequence, and I think what happened is it raised and favoured an emergency sequence. Well, this is this is the freighter from Hellwood to Southampton Eastern Docks.
There seems to be a bit of a malfunction going on.
You got a horn? 66009, it's Stevie Shanker. Southampton Eastern Docks, and up they go. Will we go up for a normal? Yes, we're up. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.